what I'm going to do is I'm going to show you how to use the 2014 AutoCAD program, and you're going to go through dimension, mirror, delete lines, array, trim, and copy something, and rotate it, and then put your name and period, all in the right line values or colors. So the first thing you need to do is when we do the dimension, you have to come up here, and it's kind of hidden. It's difficult to see where the dimension line is, and so you do a linear, go from one end to the other, and on the sides, and that's how you dimension. Now what we're going to do is we're going to change the line color values, and we're going to change it to this magenta or purple color, and you have to have the right line colors, otherwise you don't get credit for the assignment. So that's the example of how to do dimension. To do the mirroring, we're going to go through and first select the mirror tool, and if you hover over the tool, it actually shows you how to do it. So I select mirror, and after we select it, we hit enter, and then you draw a mirror line, and then you hit enter again, and you'll notice it says, do you want to erase it? Then we hit enter one more time. That's how we mirror. To delete something, all we do is hit the line, highlight it, and hit oops. We're just going to highlight it and then delete it. So I want to delete all but one line. To do the array, we're going to come to the array tool, which is located right here. It says polar array. When you see it, it'll probably say rectangular, path, and polar. You want to select polar array, which means you select the circle. After you find it, you hit enter or return. You select the point where you want it arrayed, and then you hit enter one more time. That's how you do the array. To do the trim tool, you come up and hit trim. You select your two lines. Then you hit enter. That indicates to the computer that you have chosen those lines, and then you select the lines you want to trim. That trims it. Then you want to hit escape after each process, and to copy it, I go and select copy. I select the object I want to copy, hit enter, and then I can select and just drag it and copy it, and I want that copied 5 times. And then you hit escape to get out of it. To rotate, what we're going to do to rotate is I go to my rotation is right here. This is my rotate symbol. Once again, it will show me how to rotate. So I select rotate, then I select the objects I want rotated. So I'm going to come down here and select all my lines. All I have to do is hit enter, let it know that I'm done rotating it. I select the base point, and then I can rotate it right. On my name, all I do is double click on my name, and I can type in and then you want to put in your period, whatever period we're in. And then on your name, I'll allow whatever color you want to put down. So if you want to put a bright yellow down, whatever you want to put there. So looks like I got an extra line. I'm either going to move it or delete it. So that concludes, and I'm done with this assignment. I've dimensioned, mirrored, I've deleted, I've done an array, a trim, a copy 5 times, and I've rotated. And they are all within the correct color formats and schemes.